In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Strikingly account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to be anywhere inside your dashboard and then go to the bottom right, click on the question mark, and then where it says ask a question, just type in how to delete Strikingly account or just delete or close Strikingly account and click on next. When you do this here, the third topic is going to be closing your Strikingly account. So click on this. And now from here, there's a few things that are important. So as you can see, it says that deleting your account is permanent. Your sites will go down and will not be accessible. And your sites may still come up on Google search over here. And you cannot manage your domains, etc. Okay. So if you actually agree to all of this over here, if you actually want to delete your account, what you have to do here is basically either email them at this mail over here and then tell them you would like to basically proceed with your account deletion, or you could go and chat with them if you want to proceed as well. Okay, so you have two options over here. You can just select whichever one you want. So you could go and either email them or just click on where it says chat with us, and of course you have to basically send in your account email as well so they know which account you actually want to delete. Okay, so again, click on chat with us here, or you can email them, and whenever you do that, if you for example select your chat here, you can go ahead and select how you feel, and then you can start a chat from here, talk to their support team, and they'll be able to help you solve your issue and close your account very quickly. So that's how you do that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.